Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add logo to your video in CapCut. See, so first you can prepare your video and your logo if you have. And for example, I'm going to add the video and import logo, but I'm going to add the Instagram logo, for example, and add as an overlay, put on top other clip, so you can change for the duration and the size and adjust for the position you like, and you can blend it like this. You can make it as a watermark. You can adjust for the position and adjust for the opacity, so it's like watermark, like so. That you can adjust for the position again and select normal and add text and add your Instagram account, for example, and adjust body position right here. That's it. Alright, that's how you can add logo to your video in CapCut PC, and I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to click thanks button to appreciate.